Welcome. If you want to get animated Neoline wallpaper on your Motorola Moto E7 Plus, for the first you have to go for the Play Store, tap on the search pool and type here Neoline. And we have to get this application, Neoline Live Wallpaper free. It's from the maxelus.net. So let's get it. Right now we can open, click on the live wallpaper. And as you can see, here's the preview of this wallpaper. And when we grab the phone and rotate, it is going to also be animated with our smartphone screen, as you can see. So right now, to set it up, we have to click here to set wallpaper, and after that we can just go on the main screen and enjoy this cool wallpaper on our Motorola Moto E7 Plus. Thank you guys for watching, leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.